Good morning, children. Now I can explain how to we can calculate the oxidation state of the following compounds. Previous classes we studied about the how to we can write the crisscross methods, how to we can find out the molecular weights. All those things are discussed earlier classes. Now we can discuss about the molecular weight oxidation state of the compounds. How to we can calculate the oxidation state of the following compounds. Calculation of oxidation state of the following oxidation state of the following compounds. The first one is, what is the oxidation state of oxidation state of chromium in potassium dichromate? Here the formula of potassium dichromate is formula is K2Cr2O7. The formula of potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7. First of all, what is the charge of potassium? Charge of potassium is +1. What we can find out the oxidation state of chromium is, we can find out, we know first of all, that is we don't know about the what is the oxidation state, so that is called X. What is the charge of oxygen? Charge of oxygen is -2. So here how many potassium atoms are there? 2 potassium atoms are there. So what is the charge of potassium? Charge of potassium is +1. So how many chromium atoms are there? Here 2 chromium atoms are there. What is the charge? Now we can find out, that is called X. So how many oxygen atoms are there here? 7. What is the charge of oxygen? -2. It is equal to 0. The oxidation state of all the elements is equal to 0 for the neutral compounds. So here 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 into x 2x plus into minus 7 2s 14 equal to 0. Now we can find out x. 2x is equal to, we can change the -14, we can change to +14. Here +2, we can shift to -2. So 2x is equal to +14 -2, how much? +12. So x is equal to +12 by 2. So x is equal to 2 1s to 6. So x is +6. What is the oxidation number? What is the oxidation state of chromium in potassium dichromate? +6. So the oxidation state of chromium in K2Cr2 K2Cr2O7 is plus 6. So we can take one more example. Now we can take the one more example. What is the oxidation state of phosphorus? In calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate. Here formula is Ca3PO4 taken twice. So now we can find out what is the oxidation state of, we don't know about the oxidation state of phosphorus, that is called X. What is the charge of calcium is plus 2. What is the charge of oxygen is minus 2. So how many calcium atoms are there? 3. So what is the charge of calcium? Plus 2. So how many phosphorus atoms are there? Already previous classes we told about the, here 1 into 2. How many phosphorus atoms are there? 2. 2 into, what is the charge of phosphorus? We don't know. Now we can find out the oxidation state of phosphorus. So that is called X. So how many oxygen atoms are there? 4. 4 into 2. 4 2s 8. So what is the charge of oxygen? Minus 2. So it is equal to 0. The oxidation number of all the elements is equal to 0 for the neutral compounds. So here 3 to 6 plus 2 into x, 2x plus into minus 8 to 16 is equal to 0. So now we can find out, 2x is equal to minus 16, we can change to plus 16, plus 6 we can change it to minus 6. So 2x is equal to what is plus 16 minus 6 plus 10. X is equal to plus 10 by 2. X is equal to 2 ones to 5s. X is equal to plus 5. So here what is the oxidation state of phosphorus in calcium phosphate? Plus 5. So the oxidation state of phosphorus in calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 taken twice is plus 5. So we can take one more example. What is the oxidation state of carbon? What is the oxidation state of carbon in calcium carbonate? So here what is the formula of calcium carbonate? The formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Now we can find out what is the oxidation state of carbon. We don't know. That is called X. So what is the charge of calcium? Here charge of calcium is plus 2. What is the charge of oxygen? Is minus 2. So how many calcium atoms are there? Only one calcium atom is there. What is the charge of calcium? Plus 2. How many carbon atoms are there? Only one carbon atom is there. What is the charge? X. So how many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms is there. 3 into what is the charge? Minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 2 plus 1 into x plus into minus 3 to 6 equal to 0. Now we can find out what is the x. x is equal to, we can change plus 6, we can change to minus 6 changes to plus 6, plus 2 changes to minus 2. X is equal to what? X is equal to plus 4. What is the oxidation state of carbon calcium carbonate is plus 4. Here the oxidation state of carbon in CaCO3 is plus 4. Now we can take the one more examples. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Nitrogen in magnesium nitrate, in magnesium nitrate. The formula of magnesium nitrate is, what is the formula of magnesium nitrate? MgNO3 taken twice by using crisscross methods. So here what is the charge of magnesium? Charge of magnesium is plus 2. So what is the charge of nitrogen? X. We can find out now. What is the oxidation state of oxygen? Generally minus 2. In general oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. So how many magnesium atoms is there? Only one magnesium atom is there. So what is the charge here? Plus 2. Plus how many nitrogen atoms is there? Here is 1. 1 into 2. How many nitrogen atoms is there? 2. What is the charge? X. How many oxygen atoms is there? 3. 3 2s 6. What is the charge of oxygen? Minus 2. It is equal to 0. The sum of all the oxidation number is equal to 0 for the neutral compounds. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into x, 2x plus into minus, minus 6 to 12 equal to 0. So here 2x is equal to minus 12 equal to plus 12 plus 2, we can change this to minus 2. 2x is equal to, here how much? Plus 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. X is equal to 2 ones, 2 fives. What is charge? Here charge is plus 5. So the oxidation number of nitrogen, the oxidation state of nitrogen in magnesium nitrate MgNO3 taken twice is plus 5. Now here previously we can find out we can find out the oxidation state in a compounds, in a neutral compounds. Now we can calculate the oxidation state in shortcut methods. Calculation of oxidation state in a shortcut methods. How to we can find out the oxidation state in shortcut methods. Now we can take for example, one example is potassium dichromate. What is the formula of potassium dichromate? Previously we can find out K2Cr2O7. So here what is the charge of potassium? Plus 1. What is the charge of chromium? X. What is the charge of oxygen? Minus 2. So how do we can find out the in shortcut methods? Means 7 2s 14. Here one potassium charge is plus 1, 2 potassiums is plus 2. We can subtract. Here is 12. The 12 is how many chromium atoms? 2 chromium atoms. 2 chromium atom has 12. 1 chromium atom has by 2. 12 by 2. Here 12 by 2 means 2 ones to 6. The charge is plus 6. ఇక్కడ జనరల్గా పొటాషియంకి ఎంత ఉంటుందంటే ప్లస్ 1, ఒక క్రోమియంకి క్రోమియం ఛార్జ్ ఎంత అంటే ఎక్స్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఆక్సిజన్కి ఎంత -2. 7 2s ఎంత అంటే 14. ఒక పొటాషియం ఛార్జ్ ఎంత ప్లస్ 1, 2 పొటాషియంలకి 2, 14 - 2 12. 12 అనేది ఎన్ని క్రోమియంలకి 2 క్రోమియం 12 అయినప్పుడు ఒక క్రోమియంకి ఎంత అంటే by 2, 2 ones to 6. Now we can take one more example. Magnesium phosphate, Mg3PO4 taken twice. So here charge is plus 2. Here charge is x. What is the charge of oxygen? -2. So here how many oxygen atoms are there? 4 into 2, 4 2s 8, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16. 1 magnesium has plus 2, 3 magnesiums, 3 2s 6, that is equal to 10. 10 అనేది ఎన్ని ఫాస్ఫరస్కి 2 phosphorus 10 అయినప్పుడు ఒక ఫాస్ఫరస్ ఎంత అంటే 1 phosphorus has 2 ones, 2 5s. Here charge is plus 5. We can take one more example. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. What is the charge of calcium? Charge of calcium is plus 2. What is the charge of carbon? X. What is the charge of oxygen is -2. Here 3 2s 6. 1 calcium has plus 2, that is equal to plus 4. The charge of carbon is plus 4. Like that we can take one more example. Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. What is the charge of here? Plus 2. What is the charge of X? What is the charge of oxygen? So 4 2s 8, 1 magnesium has plus 2. Here charge is plus 6. Like that we can calculate the oxidation numbers in shortcut methods and long methods. Okay students, next class we can find out the oxidation state in ions. Now we can find out the oxidation numbers. The oxidation number, the sum of oxidation number, the sum of oxidation number of all the elements is equal to 0 for the neutral compounds. So that's why you can equal to 0. Now next class we can equal to charge present in the ions. How do we can calculate the oxidation state in ions? For example, if we can calculate the what is the oxidation state of phosphorus in phosphate. What is the charge of phosphorus in phosphate? What is the charge of sulfur in sulfate? What is the charge of nitrogen in nitrate? All those we can discuss next class. Okay students, thank you.